Hey YouTube, so this is the other guy coming to you today. So in today's episode, what we're doing is we're going to be fabricating a stainless steel griddle. So I fabricated a griddle for her, for my wife, and she liked it so much. She says, "Oh honey, I like my griddle so much, I want you to make a stainless steel griddle for me." So here I am making her a stainless steel griddle. So you know how the saying goes, happy wife, or happy life, happy wife. That's where I am right now. I'm tired. So let's build it.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I need you to hear and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Okay guys, so this is how it looks like. It's done, and it's sitting on my grill. This is the one that I made a couple months ago. It's a very good griddle. The problem with this one is that it's a wee bit too heavy for my wife to handle. So my wife says, "Honey, I really like this griddle, but I want a lighter one, and make it stainless steel this time." So that's what I did. Made it stainless steel. She's gonna season it in a bit. Purposely made it so that it has a little. This thing right here is just water. My son just finished washing it, so it's to catch the oil. So yeah, my wife will be seasoning this bad boy in a bit, and then once that's done, it's ready to cook and eat. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked. So I made it so that it just comes in and fits right in. the knobs here on my grill, they still work and turn. Okay, and this grill is it's very old, and so my igniter isn't on anymore. One reason why my wife asked me to make a lighter one is because so that she can reach in and light the burner. But yeah, it's really, really awesome. Really like it.
Alright,
And
you're gonna have to do this out here.
oh, sorry, that's my boss.